In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the memory feature in ChatGPT to make your AI interactions more personalized and efficient. This feature is a handy tool that helps ChatGPT remember the details you share across different conversations, adding a touch of personalization to the way you interact with AI. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps of enabling and using this useful feature. First, you'll want to start by opening ChatGPT. Simply head over to chat.openai.com and log in with your credentials. Once you've accessed your account, you'll notice a sidebar on the interface. From there, just begin a new chat, setting the stage for our exploration of the memory feature. Next, we need to check if the memory feature is available for you to use. Look towards the bottom left corner of your screen where your profile picture is located. Click on it and then proceed to select Settings. Under this menu, you'll find a section called Personalization. Within Personalization, you'll find Memory. If you can see an option that says Memory is on/off, congratulations, the memory feature is available to you. If not, it might still be rolling out, so keep checking back periodically. Understanding what memory does is the key to using it effectively. The memory feature in ChatGPT is designed to automatically remember the details you mention, such as your name, preferences, and even notes on ongoing projects. This means that once you've enabled memory, details that you've shared are stored and can seamlessly integrate into future interactions. It's like having a personalized assistant that tailors its responses according to your past conversations. Turning memory on or off is a straightforward process. Remain in the same memory menu we accessed earlier. Here you'll find a toggle switch that allows you to activate or deactivate the memory feature. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this setting so you can adjust it as per your comfort and privacy preferences. If ever you feel the need for a clean slate, the option to clear all memories is available in the same section, allowing you to reset the memory feature entirely. Now, let's put this memory feature to practical use. A simple exercise is to tell ChatGPT something specific about yourself. For instance, you might say, "Remember that I'm a freelance writer who loves minimalist design." Later, when you start a new chat, you could request, "Write an email pitch for a client using my style preferences you remembered." You'll notice how the memory feature brings in those pre-shared details, providing a response that's more aligned with your personal style. Remember, you can manage or delete these memories anytime by revisiting the settings, then personalization, and finally, memory. This easy access ensures that your experience with ChatGPT remains both personalized and secure. With this, you've completed the setup and exploration of the memory feature.